Sometimes I shave my legs and sometimes I don't.
In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the rope twist with 4 locks, and then we're going to style it half up, half down with 2 buns. Once you pick up speed, you'll become a little more efficient at styling as you go. So like you see me doing here, guys, it's very simple. You just want to take 4 locks, 2 in the right hand, 2 in the left hand, and you just want to twist like you normally would a 2-strand twist. All right, guys, so we just want to keep this same process throughout the client's head. Okay, guys, now moving forward to the styling. So this particular style is very simple, but it's still effective and cute. So parting the desire section that the client wants to leave out. So the top half that you're going to put in the two buns, you just want to divide that into two sections. And the placement really is up to the client's discretion. Guys, so after you've parted the desired section for the bun and you secure it with the hair tie, or you can use one of the twists like I've done here, you just want to grab each twist and rotate in a circular motion. You'll see the bun start to form. So don't be discouraged if it starts to look lopsided, because you can fix that and secure it with the needle and thread like you'll see me do here in a second. Guys, to alleviate the thread from showing in the client's pinup, and it'll help for a neater finish, you just want to stick the thread back in the same spot that you pulled it from, so you won't see the thread in and out the client's locks. Now, guys, for the fun part. Now, not every client is going to want baby hair, but this particular client, she wanted it, so we gave her baby hair. And now, guys, for the finished product. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the notification bell, and also follow my Instagram. I've listed it below.